Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Cute as Can Be designer series paper from the Scrapbooking brochure that can be found online, along with the Be My Valentine stamp set and the Meant to Be stamp set. This is also in the Scrapbooking brochure. This one we've had, and it's in the annual catalog. Then we're going to be using the something fancy dies. Yes. Okay. So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So I have our Hello Spring paper pumpkin kit here. This is good until February 10th that you can subscribe for it. It makes 9 cards and Petunia Pop is the stamping spot. Spring is in the Air dies add-on for $12. Coordinates with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. And it also coordinates with the Grow with Love bundle, okay? That can be found in the online exclusive section of StampItUp.com, all right? Next up, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use that host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Next, we have our Celebration Join Special. Okay, during Celebration, you have the opportunity to earn free products from our Celebration brochure with a qualifying order. You also have the opportunity to join Stampin' Up and get some extras in your starter kit. The starter kit is $99 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 worth of product. During Celebration, you have the option of choosing a free stamp set along with 2 packs of Stampin' Right markers from 2 color families or the same color family. It's a $91 value. If you're not interested in that option, we have option 2 where you can add $30 extra to your starter kit. So you'll pay $99 plus tax and get $155 worth of products for to put in your starter kit. And it's all going to ship to you for free. And you'll also be getting the bonus of a paper pumpkin kit and some business supplies, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are my medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. However, during Celebration, I am having a promotion. Whenever you spend $100 in product using my host code, I'm going to send you one of these boxes for free. Now, if your order is $150 or more, you don't have to use the host code, and you'll still get the box for free. Because, again, $150 is going to get you some Stampin' Rewards. And I don't want you to miss out on anything that is free for you, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business of the day. So we are going to be making a cute card, and we are using the February sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Al. I don't have the printable to show you, but this is her February sheet load, and this is the inside of my card. This is a piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're going to go ahead and do some stamping on that. So I want to stamp a sentiment in Petunia Pop right in the center of our card here. Just like that. Ooh, we are meant to be. And while I have the Petunia Pop out, I'll go ahead and get my scrap with basic white. And we're going to stamp another sentiment. You make my heart buzz. Stamp that right there. Okay. And that's all we need the Petunia Pop for. Then we have some Daffodil Delight. And I'm going to stamp this. Right here, like so. And then we're going to get some basic black. We're going to stamp this onto our B. Let me pull this down a little bit. Probably should have stamped the black first. Oh no, that was perfect. Oh my goodness, I've never gotten it that good. And then we're going to stamp some antenna on our B. A little happy winky face. Look at that. And ooh, I forgot to get the wings out. Let me get our wings out of here. Can't have a bee flying around without wings, right? I want to stamp those in Patina Pop. I was going to stamp it in black, but I think I want to add a little color. A little color. Maybe, what is that, Pool Party? Let's get some Pool Party. Because that's the color in the designer series paper. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. And I think that is all of our stamping done, okay? So now let's just put this card together. I will have a link in the description box below to get to Call Me Crafty Owl so you can download her free PDF, and she has all the measurements there. So this piece of designer series paper is 3/4 of an inch, and we're going to cut it down to 3.5. Okay, we'll sit that right there for a moment. And then we're going to do some layering. So I have 2 pieces of designer series paper here, and we're going to put those on some Petunia Pop. And again, the measurements for these pieces you can get from Call Me Crafty Owl. I love her sheet loads of cards. So I think I don't remember how many this one makes, how many cards the sheet load makes, because I always just make one. Well, not always, because sometimes I will make the whole sheet load, but usually I make one because I want to make multiple of the card in different, like using different stamp sets and designer paper. So that's how I do my sheet load. I only make one using this particular pattern of paper, but I might, make some using like, let's say the birthday celebration, is it called? Wildflower birthday designer series paper, or something like that. So then we're gonna put this right in the middle of this layer, like that. Then we have some basic white here. This is thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, just our regular card base. And we're gonna put this on. Do just like that. Okay, now we can go ahead and trim this extra off of here. Get my stamp and seal. We're gonna add this to a Petunia Pop that is 5 by 3 3/4, if I can stop throwing everything around. And we're just gonna add this right here. I have all these extra bits. I need to change my trimmer blade, I see. Okay, and we can put this on the inside of our card. This is cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're gonna do some die cutting. So I have the die from Something Fancy, and this is the one I'm using, the hexagon. Now, the Meant to Be stamp set does have some matching dies that have these large hexagons in it, but I wanted a small one for our sentiment because this smallest one is still a little too big, okay? So I found this one in the Something Fancy dies, and we're gonna put it right over our sentiment here. I'm gonna secure that down with a piece of washi tape. We're gonna get our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and die cut our sentiment. Okay, so I have this all die cut out. I'm gonna carefully take that tape off. Okay, and now we are going to get some of this Petunia Pop bordered ribbon. It's one of the end colors. And we're gonna put this on here a little bit like that. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of tear and tape to hold this down. So I just want to do a little zigzag fold. Oop, come on, hands, hold that ribbon. We're just gonna pop that down. Oh, I didn't get all of it. How did that one escape? Okay, let's see. All right, so I see I need to put this down. I'm gonna tear this up, and then I'm just gonna scoot that tape back so I don't want it to show from underneath our hexagon. Just rolling it back. Okay, so now we're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of our little hexagon here. Oh boy. I don't think I needed that many, but I like dimensionals. You guys know this. Now let's take the backings off. And once we get this on, we'll just have to embellish. Let's see here. And this is going to go on just like that. And then for embellishments, I have the 2024 to 26 in color shimmer gems. And we're going to use the Petunia Pop. Where's my take your pick tool? So I have one large one here. Where do we, let's put that one right there. Then we could put a small one there. And I guess one more. Let's put it right here. Why not? And that is our card. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple and quick. Shows off a lot of that designer series paper. I love it. And I made another one. Let me show you. This one, I cut everything. I cut this card, this designer series paper right here, and I realized it was going the wrong direction for me to have the card in landscape. And that's what I wanted. So I still used Call Me Crafty Al's layout. I just changed it up a little bit. So this one I used Pool Party and a different background. This one the hearts, this one has the flowers. And I use Pool Party for the sentiment layer and put love you. And the inside, it just says we're meant to be. No honeybee inside of that one. Okay, you guys, this is our project for today. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.